Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to go over my RX0 that I just hooked up and put on my pool, and I think somebody hacked it. Really not hacked it, but something happened to it because it's still on my pool. It's just the name change. I wonder if it's pulling somewhere from firmware this name, but it's using my account. It just doesn't make any sense. So this is my miner. I went and set it up in the mining settings. I put stratum for hum pool, which is not this stratum. This is something for, like, I don't know if this is a GPU settings or whatever, or the FPGA settings. There's a port, completely different thing. I don't know where it pulled that information. Almost happened overnight. So I set my miner with my wallet address, obviously for Humpool wallet account and my name account, and I put RX0 number 5 for my miner, or actually it was number 8. But next morning I go on the pool and it looks like a LAOHUA00A75300546. Guys, so let me know who hacked my miner and why did you guys change it to just the name but not to your pool if you hacked it, right? I'm just kidding. I don't know. I think it just weirdly pulled out. So typically I would just put the pool there and wallet address for my miner, just like so. And I did it exactly same way. There is usually saved all the available options. I don't see that option. So it's really interesting what happened to this miner, because it's not saved there either with this weird name. I don't see it. Let's try typing. Maybe it did something. RXD it's for October. Yeah, there is nothing like that. So really, guys, it's just a mystery. I keep in this name just for fun. The hash rate fluctuate a little bit. It's been over 270, but on a pool average it's 273 for 24 hours, so it's no problem at all. It's probably a little bit cooler here in the morning in the running this miner, but weird, somebody actually hacking my miner and putting some fun info in there. Guys, let me know who it is because I want to really see how this happened. Where did it pull this information? Is that in the miner firmware? Was it originally there? I don't think so. I didn't see. Usually the miner comes just like with the hum pool, just like that, even the US1 pool. How did that happen? I have no clue. Let me know, guys, in the comments below if you know, if you experienced anything like that and you think somebody hacked your miner, because that's a really ridiculous to see the different miner there, you know, like it's changed to this from RX0 -8. I had that miner there listed before, but now it disappeared after a couple days. I thought maybe something else gonna happen, so I kind of keep this name for now. I don't know if that stratum is a good stratum. Looks like it's only 549 G difference. A lot more accepted shares if we compare. Do we have any 1 day miner? This 3 days, but look at that. 3 days, 22,000. 1 day, 49,000 accepted shares. So we get a lot more. There's 5 rejected shares. But it doesn't matter because you're still getting the same amount of hash rate on the pool. So with that is, I don't know. It's just a mystery to me how this name got changed overnight. So obviously it's some glitch in the firmware. Again, with iceriver, there is still full of surprises how their firmware gets some interesting information and why it kept my wallet name. So maybe Humpool changed my name of my miner, but how? Well, let me know, guys. If you ever experience something like that, I'd like to hear. Leave the comment. Happy mining. We'll see you on the next one.